Now we will discuss problems related to time and work. Before going into actual problems, we need to know few things. For example, if A can complete a task in 10 days, A's 1 day work will be is equal to 1 by 10. If A can complete a task in 20 days, then A's 1 day's work will be 1 by 20. If A can complete a work in 12 days, if we ask in how many days 1 by 4th work will be completed, then we need to do cross multiplication. Assume, because we don't know how many days it will take, assume this is x. X into 1 is equal to 12 into 1 by 4. This is x into 1 is equal to x. So here it will be 12 divided by 4 is 3. So answer is 3 days. In the same way, if A can complete a task in 12 days, in how many days 3 by 4th of work will be completed? And because we don't know this, we will take this as x. Then we will do cross multiplication. X into 1 is x is equal to 12 into 3 by 4. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Total 9 days it will take to complete 3 by 4th of work. So these are all very important things to know before we move on to time and work. This is the problem statement. A can complete a work in 3 days. B can complete work in 6 days. A and B together in how many days complete the work? This is very simple problem. Let us start. A can complete work in 3 days and B can complete work in 6 days. So A's 1 day work will be 1 by 3 and B's 1 day work will be 1 by 6. Now A plus B 1 day work will be, A's 1 day work is 1 by 3 and B's 1 day work is 1 by 6. If we take LCM of 3 and 6, it is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2 plus 6 divided by 6 is 1. Total 3 by 6. This is 1 by 2. A plus B's 1 day work is 1 by 2. If we ask in how many days A plus B together can complete the task, then we need to reverse it. That is 2 by 1. And answer is 2 days. A and B together can complete the task in 2 days. Here is another problem. A can complete a work in 10 days. B can do the same in 20 days. A and B together worked for 5 days. Then what is the work left or remaining? A can complete the task in 10 days and B can complete in 20 days. A's 1 day work will be 1 by 10 and B's 1 day work will be 1 by 20. And let's find out A plus B's 1 day work. That is, A's 1 day work is 1 by 10 plus B's 1 day work is 1 by 20. And LCM of 10 and 20 is 20. And 20 divided by 10 is 2 and 20 divided by 20 is 1. And finally we get 3 by 20. This is A plus B's 1 day's work. And A plus B together worked for 5 days as per problem statement. So 5 days if they work, A plus B together, A plus B's 5-day work will be 5 into 3 by 20, and here 5 fours are 20, so 3 by 4. So this 3 by 4 is the A plus B's 5 days of work. And in time and work, the total work is always taken as 1. If we want to know how much is remaining, then what we need to do is we need to subtract this 3 by 4 from 1. 1 minus 3 by 4. And here we take LCM of 1 and 4 and we get it as 4. And 4 divided by 1 is 4. And 4 divided by 4 is 1. And 1 into 3 is 3. Finally we get as 1 by 4. So this is the remaining work. Here is another problem. A can complete work in 6 days. B can complete the same in 4 days. With the help of C, they could complete work in 2 days. If C works alone, how many days it take? And we know that A can complete work in 6 days and B can complete in 4 days, and C we don't know. And A plus B plus C together they can complete work in 2 days. Then A plus B plus C's 1 day's work will be 1 by 2. Now we already know A's 1 day's work and B's 1 day's work. A's 1 day's work will be 1 by 6 and B's 1 day's work will be 1 by 4 plus C's 1 day's work we don't know. And if we can move these to right side, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 4. LCM of 2, 6 and 4 is 12. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. And 12 divided by 6 is 2. And 12 divided by 4 is 3. Total we get 1 by 12. This is C's 1 day's work. So in how many days C can complete the work? To get that we need to reverse this, that is 12 by 1. Answer is 12 days. Here is another problem. A, B, C can complete work in 4, 6, 12 days respectively. If B and C work for every second day, how many days does it take to complete the work together? Here we know A can complete work in 4 days, B can complete work in 6 days, C can complete work in 12 days. But B and C are working for every second day. If B works daily, then B can complete work in 6 days. But if B is working every second day, then it will take 6 into 2, 12 days. Because B is working every second day. That is the same case for C also. If C works continuously, then it takes 12 days to complete the task. But if C is working every alternative day, that is every 2 days once, then it will be 24 days. Now let's see what is A's 1 day's work, that is 1 by 4, and B's 1 day's work as per the problem is 1 by 12 because B is working every second day, and C's 1 day's work is 1 by 24. If A and B and C together works, in how many days they can complete? First we will calculate A plus B plus C 1 day's work, that is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 24. And LCM of 4, 12 and 24 is 24. 24 divided by 4 is 6 and 24 divided by 12 is 2 and 24 divided by 24 is 1. Total it will be 9 by 24. 3 3s and 3 8. It will be 3 by 8. This is A plus B plus C is 1 day's work. If we ask in how many days they can complete, then we need to reverse it. 8 by 3 days is the answer. Here is another problem. A can do 3 times better work than B. A could complete a task 40 days less than B. If A and B work together, in how many days they can complete the task? In this problem, we have two information. A is 3 times better than B and A could complete the task 40 days less than B. For example, if B can complete the task in 30 days, because A is 3 times better than B and A can complete in 10 days. So how we got 10 here? We have divided 30 by 3 because 3 times A is better than B. In the same way, because we don't know how many days B takes to complete the work, if we take it as X days, and in how many days A can complete in X by 3 days, because A is 3 times more efficient than B. And another information also we have, A could complete a task 40 days less than B. It means if B takes X days to complete the task, A will take 40 days less than X. And now this X by 3 is equivalent to X minus 40. And let's move 3 to right side. That is 3 into X minus 40, 3X minus 120. And if we get 120 this side, it will be 120 is equal to 3x minus x, and it will be 2x is equal to 120, and finally we get x is 120 by 2, it is 60. So B can complete the task in 60 days because x represents number of days B can complete the task. To get A, we can use either of one, x by 3 or x minus 40. If we take x by 3, that is 60 by 3 is equal to 20. A can complete the task in 20 days. So here in the question what is asked, in how many days they can complete the task together. Now we know what is A's 1 day's work, that is 1 by 20, and also we know what is 1 day's work of B, that is 1 by 60. And if A plus B, what is the A plus B's 1 day's work, that is 1 by 20 plus 1 by 60, and LCM of these two is 60, and 60 divided by 20 is 3, and 60 divided by 60 is 1, that is 4 by 60, and 4 ones are 4 and 4 15s are 60, so 1 by 15. A plus B's 1 day's work is 1 by 15, and if we ask how many days A plus B takes to complete the task is, it is 15 by 1, that is 15 days. So 15 days is the answer.